Security should always be a concern if you're using any kind of technology. Phone, tablet, laptop, desktop computer, it doesn't matter. You should take your security very seriously, and even more so if you're involved in cryptocurrency, which is why I'm holding these cryptocurrency hardware wallets up. Now, I've did some reviews about these. I've got my final review of the KeepKey coming soon, and I believe in them. I think that these can help, and they can really reduce the risk of losing your funds. On the subject of losing your funds, there has been a hack, and you can see here, this is on Reddit. It says, don't use the Mega Chrome extension. The Mega Chrome extension is updated with functionality to steal your Monero. It's pretty bad, not just your Monero. The extension has been removed and Mega reacted, so there's 3 updates there. And it was initially brought to attention on Twitter. Catches your username and password from Amazon, GitHub, Google, Microsoft portals. Yeah, so this thing was very dangerous. And Mega, ironically, is a privacy company. And they've got an update here. The version will request additional permissions. Anyone who accepted them while it was live for 4 hours may have been compromised and should read. I have no doubt people will have been compromised. So this is their update about it. It's not a huge article. But at the start here, it explains what happened. An unknown attacker uploaded a Trojan version of Mega's Chrome extension, version 3.39.4. Upon installation or update, it would ask for elevated permissions, read and change all your data on the websites you visit. The Mega's real extension does not require and would, if permissions were granted, exfiltrate credentials for sites including Amazon.com, Live.com, which is Microsoft I believe, GitHub.com, Google.com for web store login, My Ether wallet, so there's Ethereum and Ethereum tokens, MyMonero.com, IDEX Market, HTTP post requests to other sites. Yeah. I get the impression a lot of people have been hurt by this. Now, the reason I wanted to bring this up is because, this isn't just for cryptocurrency. The people who were affected by this, they've lost their Google, Amazon credentials, probably any kind of e-commerce website they were logged into, they probably lost some information there as well. But the reason I'm bringing this up is because a lot of people continue to use web wallets. And this is the risk that you run into if you're, using a web wallet on any computer that's got extensions or you're accessing the internet. There's always that risk that something can go wrong. And I know a lot of people don't like cryptocurrency hardware wallets, but if you do have any kind of 2FA device, you really can reduce the risk of anything serious happening. If you've got something, whenever you withdraw money, for example, the Ethereum wallet there, which the Trezor and things like that can work with, if you require authentication through your device, then you're not going to lose your money. I know a lot of people don't like this. I know a lot of people prefer to just put things into like a USB stick. And if you've got Windows Pro, you can put on BitLocker very easily as well. It's just a kind of, an encryption option that you've got just by right-clicking your USB stick. So there's a lot of options like that out there. But whether you use a hardware wallet, a USB stick, whether you just print out your public keys or whatever, just a reminder, these things are going on. They are always going to be going on, especially in the cryptocurrency world. These hackers, these malicious parties, they're always going to attack where the money is. And browsers, we all access the web, we all access sensitive information via our browsers, Chrome, Firefox, whatever. So just be very careful, guys. This is a privacy extension, and even they were attacked. So be very careful, guys. I'll leave information out, all the pages that I've referenced here. I'll leave them here and you can check them out. But yeah, always take precautions, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.